Well, I did not expect that pre-wash was going to be very fast. Probably because I already demonstrated the drain button though. Well, I don't think this cycle does pre-rinses, unlike my grandmother's, because I feel like this dishwasher is new to me. Or maybe, I don't even know. I got it on normal though. Okay, this is what I am expecting to be. Well, I'm not going to record the whole thing because it's just too boring to just listen to this dishwasher. I feel like it's boring to you guys too, so well, at least we got a pre-rinse though. Bless me, guys. And this is what a pre-wash is supposed to be. And I can hear something. Draining. And it does drain in the sink too. I think I'm going to recommend this dishwasher, guys. This thing is... the drain pump is so quiet. Everything about it is quiet, too. Okay. Now let's hope this is main wash. Definitely in room temperature now. So I feel like this dishwasher fills up like... I feel like dishwashers fill with hot water and it heats it up. Okay, so this might be the main wash, y'all. And as soon as that, you'll hear the detergent dispenser open. It's very quiet, so... Yep, I can feel the hot air. It smells pretty bad because of the dishes. And momentarily, the detergent dispenser will open. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Oh, sorry about my film angle, guys. Also, my dad just laughed because I think he could barely hear it open up. And I can actually hear it. Alright, you guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little break here. And I think I might come back at maybe 10:45 or so. Because I know it's going to take a while to wash. So, anyways, I'm going to take a little break and we'll be back. Well, it's been like, maybe like 30 minutes or so. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the dishwasher is doing really slow. But definitely warm at least. It gets hotter on the final rinse, which does the coil and the rinse aid. Oh, and sometimes when I get the hot water prepped, this is the boiling water, and when I turn this on, it shoots just only boiling water. And I don't know if you guys, there you go, and as you guys can see, there's steam coming out. And it's extremely hot. Ouch, holy cow. Okay. I'm not sure why this dishwasher is always slow, but it's warm at least. As you guys can see, there's a Whirlpool. All right, back in another 5 minutes or so. Time is now 10:43 and the water for the main wash is drained. It's not even... What was that? Okay, so now it's going to drain for the rest of the main wash. Okay, now it's going to probably do a purge, then the first rinse, and then the which is probably the shortest, and the final rinse, which is the longest, will be with the heater and the rinse aid. Well, not to mention, it's not me being quiet, it's the dishwasher that's quiet. Okay. Alright, so... Alright, now it's going to do a purge like 8 times. What's that noise? Okay, now this is the first rinse, as it's continuing to fill up for the rinse cycle. it sounds a little faster now. I think it's just cooling down or something. Sorry about the blur, guys. Probably because that window right here is making a little bit of blur. Sounds like, yeah, I feel like we're cooling down right now. I did not film the whole thing because it's just too boring to. Also, the final. Yeah, this is a chair I'm sitting on. Yeah, right. Check out the vent. It's a little bit more noise. Well, guys, I think you might like our. I think you might like the dishwasher for our new house, which is probably our new used dishwasher. I'm giving you a hint. It's gray, just like our GE, but it's not GE. Well, I don't know if you guys would know that, but well, maybe after this cycle, maybe tomorrow or so, I might do the 1 hour wash maybe tomorrow. Maybe that will be unedited. dishwasher is quiet because I had a door open in my room and on one of the rooms upstairs, and I was in there. I would not hear the dishwasher. So I think this dishwasher is gonna drain at any moment. Oh! Knew it! And then after that, it's going to do a final rinse with the rinse aid. And when it does the final drain, it'll do a full drain without pausing, which I think that's really cool. What are you guys talking about? Okay, so before I was at this place, before I went to the rental house, I already asked my mom, what does the dishwasher look like? And she said it's the same as my grandmother's, and it is. The only difference is there's no sensor cycle on there, which is pretty much the same as the normal cycle. A little burp here from there. I heard looks like the dishwasher's burping a little bit. A little burp here from there. Okay. And I knew that was not that it. Whoa. I wonder what it would have sounded like if there were no dishes in there. I wonder what it would sound like if there were no dishes in there. I'm not going to do that right now, but I might.
It would sound exactly the same.
But no, the water would be hitting the.
The top?
Yeah. Well, as soon as we get like packed.
You could do a 1 hour wash. Nothing in it.
Well, I'm not going to do that this week. I want to do it until we get to the point where we're going to start leaving soon.
Okay.
But I'm still going to probably do at least a couple of 1 hour wash videos on this dishwasher. I'll put like some dishes in it. How about that? Alright, final rinse. Heater's not on yet, but it will momentarily. I'm trying to hear if the rinse aid dispenses. I don't think I can hear the rinse aid dispense. And I'll show you what the rinse aid looks like. Oh, I just heard a click. Well, I think the heater just turned on now. So this is what the rinse aid looks like. Kroger rinse aid. It looks like what my grandmother has. Let's go put that back. Here we go. By the way, this rinsing will take forever, so I'm gonna pause a little bit. Maybe until 11:30 or something, so back in a bit. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes now. It should have drained, but I think it will in a few more minutes maybe. And as you can see, as you can tell, it's really hot because of the heating. So the heating coils probably. That's why I heard a little click. And I'm not sure what it's doing. Either the heating coil's turned off or it turned back on. And we are raining right now. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. It's raining now. Still July and it's raining. That's weird. It can't rain when it's freaking summer. Steam comes out right here. Like steam comes out that whole vent. I don't think I see any right now. Now it's 11:31. But yeah. Looks like it's not slowing down whatsoever yet. Recording almost 35 minutes. So it's 30 minutes or so. don't know if I heard the rinse say dispense. I think it just dispensed slowly. Who knows? Who knows? Oh! So like 30 minutes of... Alright, it's gonna go to the drying cycle now. Okay. Well, looks like we are in the drying cycle now. Yeah, you can feel like it's nice and warm. And the steam is gonna come up pretty soon. Back in a minute. Alright, 1 minute later and the steam's coming out. So you guys can see. Really fogs up my lens too, holy cow. Alright, check this out, guys. See? So, well, I think that includes that. God, there's steam all over my lens. Alright, hope everybody enjoyed that cycle video. It was a normal one. The normal wash with heat dry. The heat dry is on right now, so I demonstrate that as well. And I am honestly not going to wait until the heat dry. I'm honestly not going to stay for the heat dry because it's just going to stay quiet. And it's not going to do anything. Well, hope everybody enjoyed that. Hopefully in the next 1 hour or so, I'll do the 1 hour wash. Well, that's it, everybody. Hope everybody enjoyed that. Take care, y'all.